Assalamu alaikum guys, and welcome back to Learning AutoCAD. So for today I would like to teach you all how to plot your drawings in order for you to print it out, and also how to save your drawings. So if you see at the top left corner here, the ones that we are going to focus on is the save icons and also the printer icons. So let's start with the printer icons for you. So click on the printer icon and they will give this user interface. At the beginning we have the name of the drawing which you would like to add. Next we have the printer plotter. So this is important. So for me, I normally use the option of the DWG to PDF since I want my drawing to be shown in a PDF form, which is the printing process later on. So we have many options here. Feel free to experiment on your own. Next is paper size. So you should pick the kind of paper size which you would like to print it out. So what you see at your right here is the layout of your drawing versus the layout of the paper size. So now the option is at ISO A4. However, what we want to achieve is to actually fill in the drawings, to actually fit in the drawings into the area of interest. What we normally choose is the ISO full bleed A4 210 to 297. For portraits. For landscape, just choose the one at the top. So as you can see, the choices that you make will be shown through this image. But we are still far off from what we want our drawing to fit in. So that's where the plot area comes into place. So we can actually plot our current display, also the extents. But what people normally use in a PFD or also PNID drawing, they will choose the window option. So once you click on the window option, you can specify the window that you would like to capture. So this is a default rectangle which I've drawn with a length of 297 millimeters and also a height of 210 millimeters. So click on the window here on the rectangle. So as we can see, the paper size is in landscape. However, our drawing is in portrait. So to fix this, go to the drawing orientation below and press on landscape. And that is to change the orientation of the drawing. But we still have some errors here. And for that, we need to go to the plot offset. First, click center the plot. The plot offset. So what we want is actually starting from origin, which is 0 for X, and also 0 for Y. With that, we can see that our drawing fits into the paper size. Click preview to see if your drawing perfectly fits. Press escape. And now we can just click OK. So when you click OK, it will automatically bring you to the Save tab. So as usual, choose your file location. Name your file and just save. So that is the basics of plotting your drawing in order for you to print it out nicely and also saving your drawing. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.